Hi guys! So for today's video, pag-usapan naman natin yung raid team. 3 beses akong nakasamang mag-champion sa CW event and lahat yon, meron kaming raid team. 2 sa Run Online PH, isa doon CP1, and isa Yoga Run with the Fake News Guild. Tama naman yung komposisyon. Dapat talaga archers yung nasa raid party, meron lang isang shaman, taga-buffs. Meron ding 2 formula sa Discord. You can go for dual Discord or single Discord. Single Discord, mute lang ng mga members ng raid party yung commander ng main wave, and yung mga member naman ng main wave, i-mute mo lang yung commander ng raid party para magkarinigan sila single Discord. Ang purpose nung raid team is to help the main guild sa clash. Halimbawa, nag-clash yung main guild nyo, yung main wave. Papasok ngayon yung raid party to annihilate the guild na kalaban nila. And kapag naman magte-take kayo or magde-defend kayo ng E-room, magsasama kayo as one guild to effectively dominate the E-room. Now, detaching the raid team from the main guild is ineffective. Bakit ka mo? A single party cannot take an E-room. It's nearly impossible. And winikin mo rin yung main guild mo kasi hindi ka makakatulong sa kanila during the clash or to take the E-room. So yun lang. So maganda ang idea ng raid team, hindi lang tama yung pagka-execute during this event. Follow for more.